Para ma-address namin lahat ng needs ng lahat ng clients, we came up with new contracts and we call them membership plans. After all, iba-iba yung need ng bawat aplikante. May aplikante na kailangan niya parang basic lang, no? Parang mga DIYs. And we have clients that needs full service from start to finish. So to show you what I mean, let me share with you kung ano ang aming um, membership plan na basic. So let me just share. I'm gonna play.
With our membership plan, you'll gain access to an array of benefits, all for a single flat fee. These added benefits provide unmatched value, allowing you to make the most of your consulting investment. For just $500, the membership plan is your entry-level option. The key benefit here is CIC's flat fee unlimited consulting advice. This is an incredible value, offering comprehensive guidance at a fixed price, with no other consultant or lawyer in Canada matching this flat fee plan. The membership plan offers unlimited consulting advice. It is essential for navigating the complex immigration process, as it provides continuous guidance on every step. With expert advice available anytime, you can quickly address questions, avoid costly mistakes, and make informed decisions that keep your application on track. This consistent support ensures you're fully prepared and increases your chances of a smooth, successful journey to Canada. The membership plan comes with added benefits, including eligibility assessment, a personalized document checklist to ensure all required paperwork is in place, identify lacking documents, program and policy updates, resume preparation guide, explanation of different pathways, identifying potential roadblocks to keep your process smooth, be sure you are financially ready to move forward, prepare a plan, and once you are ready to commit to a specific visa, that's when it's time to upgrade to the next membership level.
So I think alam nyo kung para saan ito, no? This is very ideal for those who wants to do DIY but they want some kind of guidance. So ito yung offer namin para sa lahat ng mga aplikante. It's very reasonable, $500 for a single and 600 pag family application. So this is our regular plan or membership plan. The other one that we have is for the premium membership na plan. So ito naman siya.
CIC Premium Membership Plan. For only $1,000, you can join our premium membership plan. If you're already a member, you'll only need to pay an additional $500 by getting a credit from your membership payment. With the premium membership, we focus on document accuracy and organization, helping ensure you're ready for your specific visa application. Premium Membership, Second Stage. The premium membership is for applicants who are in the second stage of their visa journey. At this stage, your documents are in order, you know which visa to pursue, and you're committed to following through with your plan for a Canadian resident visa. The number one benefit is analyzation of all documents for accuracy. At CIC, our unlimited consulting service is central to each membership plan, ensuring that you receive support whenever you need it throughout the entire visa process. This service alone sets us apart, offering you continuous access to expert advice from start to finish. Added features and services of our premium membership. The premium membership includes all the benefits of our basic membership plan, plus additional services such as resume checking for accuracy, work experience verification, document cross-checking of employment duties and responsibilities, NOC code identification, checking and analyzing documents, organizing applicants' documents, and even DIY application assistance where applicant have an options and capability to do it by themselves.
So ang idea is if the applicant actually availed of the regular membership, ang mangyari nun is we will assess the client's credentials, titingnan natin kung saang program pwede sila. And then we'll tell them kung ano ang mga requirements para makapag-apply sila for the visa programs. And pag halimbawa may napili na tayo, let's say sabi, oh sige, mag-student ako. This is the time that we will now do all of these services para malaman natin kung ano ang makaka-strengthen ng application niya. No? So, or kung ano man yung program na gusto nila, it can be anything actually. Po pwedeng caregiver, po pwedeng, halimbawa, meron silang LMIA and they want to get our services to make sure na lahat is included. So, we can actually upgrade from a basic to a premium membership. But this time, makikita natin at makapag-focus tayo kung anong kailangan nila for the program that they have chosen. And, eto naman, yung ating other contract. No, this one is actually I'm just gonna close this one para ma-access ko yung last, the premium plus membership.
CIC Premium Plus Membership Plan. The Premium Plus membership plan costs $1,500. If you are upgrading from the membership plan, you only need to pay $1,000 more, and for those upgrading from the premium plan, the additional cost is $500. So, which stage of the visa process is the Premium Plus? The Premium Plus membership is for the third stage of the visa process. If you're upgrading from the membership or premium levels, you'll only need to pay the difference. With Premium Plus, you get everything included in the other plans, but with even more benefits designed to help you maximize your chances. This plan offers multiple visa pathways, maximizing the value of your consulting fees for the price of one. CIC's multi-visa filing plan is an industry first. No other immigration consultant or lawyer offers a plan like this. By exposing you to multiple visa opportunities and potential employers, we're giving you every possible advantage. The savings here are substantial, and the potential for securing your future in Canada is greatly improved. It includes 2 profile filing for provincial nominee programs and express entry profile filing. Who is the Premium Plus membership for? This plan is ideal for applicants who know which visa they want to apply for, want to maximize their consulting fees, applicants that have the education and work skills necessary to submit their profile, meet the criteria for provincial nominee programs and federal express entry, want to gain exposure to Canadian employers for potential job offers, which can fast-track their visa process. CIC's multi-visa filing plan is an industry first. No other immigration consultant or lawyer offers a plan like this. By exposing you to multiple visa opportunities and potential employers, we're giving you every possible advantage. The savings here are substantial, and the
So, pag halimbawa naman, ang client already knows kung ano yung mga pathways niya, filed one application, and then na nangyari is gusto pa niyang magkaroon ng opportunity for others, perfect sa kanya yung Premium Plus. No? Kasi pwede tayong mag-file in multiple directions. Kasi sa nakita natin, lalo na ngayon, no? You guys know this, you're already in Canada, na the more programs ang pwede nyo applyan, the better it is. Ang maganda dito sa mga program na to is yung mga previous mo na payments, applicable siya or pwede siyang i-offset doon sa nabayaran mo na. Halimbawa, nagbayad ka na ng 500 na basic, and then what happens is gusto mo nang mag-upgrade. Babayaran mo na lang yung difference. And also, we have very, very huge discounts na pwede offer or flexibility sa mga program. So, ito naman, no, let me show you some of the costings no, na meron tayo. So again, no, basic membership is 500 for single and $600 for married. So kung halimbawa, tingnan natin lahat ng mga dokumento nila, na-identify natin kung ano yung mga problems, and they want to focus on filing one application, mag-upgrade sila sa premium. No? And then, titingnan natin kung saan sila magpa-file. So halimbawa, nagbayad sila ng premium, 1,000 for single, 1,200 for married. And then sabi nila, gusto ko sana mag-apply para sa student application. So, ang regular student application natin is, um, actually, regular student natin, sana may student ko. Sorry about that. Ang regular student natin is, I'm sorry, ito na siya pala. Okay. Study Visa Premium Plus member. Okay. No, so, let's say, nagbayad na siya ng 1,500. No? And then, ang mangyari is, single siya. Nagbayad siya ng 1,500. I-deduct na lang natin yan para makuha niya yung discounted price. No? So, ang mangyari niyan is, contract price is total of $2,000. Less na natin yung 1,500. Ang malaking discount dito is, if halimbawa, nagbayad ang applicant ng one-time payment naman, meron pang additional discount. No? Ang 2,000, po pwedeng ang mangyari niyan is maging 1,500 na lang. No? Kasi may discount, no, na malaki. It's a 25% discount. So instead, ang mangyari niyan is babayaran niya na, wala na siyang babayaran, no? Kasi nakapagbayad na siya ng 1,500. No? So ulitin ko lang, no? Kung ang client nakapagbayad na siya ng Premium Plus na 1,500, and then gusto niya mag-student, then what happens is, instead na bayaran niya yung buong um, 2,000 for student, mangyari niyan is i-apply na natin yung binayaran niya na 1,500. No? And dapat may balance pa siya na 500. But if as a single, babayaran niya yan, binayaran niya yung 1,500 ng one time, may additional discount pa siya. No? So, ang mangyari niyan ngayon is, instead na may babayaran siya ng 500, offsetted na yan, no? Kasi may discount pa siya na dagdag. May programs din kami for those who need help with their applications dyan sa Canada after their studying. No? So, we have postgraduate work permit na programs. Ang ating para sa single dyan is 800, I'm sorry, postgraduate work permit if not a CIC is 1,000. And pag married, up to kids, 1,500. Kung may dagdag naman na kids, magdadagdag tayo ng additional $500 dollars per child. Meron din tayo spousal sponsorship. Papadala ko sa inyo ito. So, ito yung mga contracts na meron tayo. Ngayon, to become our agent, as I've said, you fill out the link na pinadala namin, or if you have already received an email na you're an agent, nandoon ka noon sa tier 2, sa tier 1. But if gusto mo ng mas malaking commission, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to confirm that you visited our Facebook page. Papadala ko sa inyo yan. And also our YouTube page. You click the subscribe button and share our video in your Facebook page. And then you will get a much bigger commission. All right? No, I'm hoping that this is very clear. But at any time gusto nyong magtanong sa aming mga contracts, let me know and I'll be very, very happy to explain to you. See you next time, guys.